fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We're gonna get this one done quick and do a double shoe unboxing. I got a couple other things to do today. Don't really have time. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Dual box action. Let it focus. These are both Jordan 9s. This one reads the Jordan 9 Retro Chile Red and Black, aka the Jordan 9 Chile Reds. This one is the Jordan 9 Retro Black University Go, aka the Batman. So two shoes that I'm going to be wearing this month, so I bust them out. Matter of fact, I'm going to do the Chile Red first. The other shoe is an old release. This is a new release in case you guys are tuning in to see this. A lot of people went crazy for this shoe. I say it's an okay shoe. It's not the best shoe they ever made, but it's a good shoe. See, you get the little black paper in case that matters to anybody. Jordan 9 paper. Here is the shoe. Thing looks pretty decent. Good materials. Jordan 9s are durable, so I'm going to enjoy. What is this? 11.5. I won't be wearing this one, but I'm going to throw this one. This is my staring pair. .23 on the back. That's what I'm starting to like about the Jordan 9s myself. Seeing that 23 and this little globe on the back. Little Jordan logo. No extra laces, but you know, you can buy extra laces and swap them out for the Jordan.
The verb notify is usually
Hey, Alexa, stop. Don't get these things, guys. She just pops up out of nowhere. She's going to tell us about verbs. Standard Jordan 9 bottom. Like I said, good materials. I thought it was going to be nubuck or suede, but it's actually like a cloth material, so it should last a while. The only thing I'm really worried about this shoe is the patent leather mud guard. You guys already know how I feel about patent leather, so I'm biased. And what's messing up with this camera? It doesn't want to focus. There we go. Hope that's better for you guys. So red that the camera doesn't want to look at it. It's a good shoe in my opinion. Like I said, if you're a Jordan 9 guy, like the color red, I can't see why you wouldn't get a pair of these. Put this one back in the box. I'll pop out the Batman. Now, this next Jordan 9, I don't know how I feel about it. I had a whole bunch of them back when they came out. Really wanted to wear this pair, but everybody who knows this pair knows that they got like this little sparkly shimmer on the shoe. I don't really like the sparkly shimmer. Fine, that's the garbage man in the background getting my garbage. But in my opinion, this is a better shoe than the Chile Reds. I would rather have a pair of the Batman, but I just like a darker color. You won't really see the yellow upper. This is a nubuck material, unlike the Chile Reds, so I recommend that you treat it with something as well as the mud guard. It's not patent leather. It's like a shiny nubuck. Has all these sparkles in it. When I give you guys a little bit of light action, I'll let you see the sparkles. But You see, when you put these in your sneaker case, that 23 and that little globe shine out, everybody notices it, if that matters to you. When you're wearing them, that 23 really stands out in the globe, especially if you have on like some joggers or something. Same bottom as the other one, just black. Give you guys a little bit of the sparkly action that I'm talking about. I hope you guys can make that out. The shoe sparkles, and the older it gets, the more it sparkles. So if you're like myself and don't really like having sparkly things on your feet, then this the Batman might not be for you. So I'm gonna give it a run this month. This is another staring pair. We're going to give it a run this month, like I said. Give you guys a view of this one, what it's going to look like on your feet, so I can wrap this video up. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see next. Everybody make sure and stay safe. Have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!